We are starting area of parallelograms and triangle. Next part. Theorem is triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. If the two triangles ABC and PBC on the same base BC and between the same parallel line BC and AP, the proof that area of ABC is equal to area of PBC. Okay, construction में in the construction through the B draw BD CP intersecting AP in D and C. Through C, draw the CQ is parallel to BA intersecting line AP in Q. This is your diagram. Proof करना है quadrilateral BCQA. BCQA is a parallelogram and quadrilateral BCPD. BCPD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram BCQA and BCPD on the same base BC and between the same parallels PC and AP. So both the parallelograms are equal in area. Then CA is the diagonal of parallelogram PCQA. CA is the diagonal of BCQA. So area of ABC and area of ABC and area of AQC is equal to half of area of parallelogram BCQA. So that similarly area of PBC is equal to half of BCPD. फ्रॉम 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 ये दोनों हमने ऊपर बराबर प्रूफ किए थे. सो एरिया ऑफ PBC इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ABC. ट्रायंगल ले लेंगे दोनों के और ये क्लियर हो जाएगा. नाउ आफ्टर दैट दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थ्योरम which we use in our exercise. If a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, the area of triangle is equal to the half of parallelogram. इसकी प्रूविंग नहीं है, ओनली आप लोग को इसका एप्लीकेशन पढ़ना है. एरिया ऑफ दिस इज़ बस इतना, ये आपको पढ़ना है इतना, ठीक है, बस ओनली दिस पार्ट. एरिया ऑफ VAB, area of VAB is equal to half of parallelogram ABCD. This is the parallelogram. Now, starting from the question, find the area of rhombus, the length of whose diagonal are 16 centimeter and 124 centimeter. The area of rhombus is half of D1 into D2. D का मतलब diagonal of one side and diagonal of other part. Okay, two diagonals are in one. Then half of, simplify it and we get the answer. Now next question is in a figure ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and the value of AB is 7 centimeter, AD and BC are 5 centimeter and distance between the AB and DC is 4 centimeter. Find the length of DC and area. We have to find the length of D and C. Using the Pythagoras theorem, in triangle DAL, DA square is equal to AL square plus DL square. Putting the value of 5 and 4 in the place of DA and AL, we get DL, value of DL is 3 centimeter. Is it okay? Now we know DL and ML both are same 3 centimeter and LM and AB is equal to 7 centimeter. The value of DC is adding DL plus LM plus MC, we get 13 centimeter. and we know that the area of trapezium is equal to half of sum of parallel side into height. Putting the value of both things and we get the answer 40 centimeter square. Now BD, next BD is one of the diagonal of the quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is the quadrilateral and AL is perpendicular to BD and CM is perpendicular to BD. Then prove that area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half of BD in bracket AL plus CM. Is it okay? Now taking the first triangle ABD, ABD, half base into height, base मतलब BD and height मतलब AL. This is the equation first, and taking the triangle BDC, then it also comes half BD into MC. Adding both 1 and 2 we get area of ADB plus area of BDC. Both comes in quadrilateral ABCD, and this is the BD is equal half BD in bracket AL into CM. Look at the proving in the figure. BE is parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC. Prove that area of ACD is equal to area of ABE. It means we get only this area. We know that DE is parallel to BC. Firstly, we have to prove first part, then after second. Firstly, we have to prove first part. DE is parallel to BC. Area of DEB is equal to area of DEC. ठीक है, एडिंग बोथ साइड ADE. तो अब ये तो आपको पता है कि ये क्यों बराबर हैं, क्योंकि ये पता है दोनों पैरेलल और सेम बेस पर हैं, इसलिए ये इक्वल हैं. दोनों तरफ हम ADE को ऐड कर देंगे. जैसे ही ऐड करेंगे तो ये पूरी वैल्यू मिल के मेरे पास बन जाएगी ABE इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ADC. ओके, इसी तरीके से सेकेंड पार्ट AD इज़ पैरेलल टू BC and then area BEC is equal to area BDC. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, अब इसमें से कौन सा माइनस कर देंगे, ट्रायंगल BOC. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग बोथ साइड देन वी गेट OEC area of triangle OBD. Hence it is proved. Okay. Now next is D is the midpoint of BC of triangle ABC and E is the midpoint of BD. If O is the midpoint of A, prove that area of BOE is equal to 1 by 8 area ABC. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC, so area of ABD is the half of area of ABC. And next, in triangle ABD E is the midpoint of BD, so area of ABE is the half of area of ABD. From 1 we have the value of ABD, putting the value of ABD in the place of ABD, so we get 1 by 4 area of ABC. Now we have to take the next area in ABE. O is the midpoint of AE. Area of BOE is equal to half of area of ABE. From 2, putting the value of ABE, we get area of BOE is equal to half 1 by 8 area of ABC. This is our answer and it is proved.